Hello. In this video, we're going to talk about the future with be going to. In other words, we're going to be talking about future plans in English. We're going to talk about future plans. When we want to talk about our intentions for the future, there is a common structure in English. This structure is be, a form of be, plus going to, plus a base form of a verb. And that structure is used to mention what we are planning for the near or far future. For example, an example of this is I am, which is the verb be, going to, which is the structure that's necessary, and then what is the action in future. For example, I am going to, let's say, clean the house. I am going to clean the house. I am going to clean the house this weekend. I am going to clean the house this weekend. I am going to clean the house this weekend. So, here we have a form of be plus going to plus our base form of a verb. That's the structure. With this, we can make sentences, we can communicate ideas about our future intentions. We just have to modify the subject. It can be I am, you are, he is, my mother is, we are, and so on. Plus going to, we never change going to. Plus a verb, which is the action that we are going to be doing in the future. Another example of this could be my brother, and which is the form of be that corresponds to my brother, is. Then what do we have to write? Going to. And then the action in future. My brother is going to, let's say, my brother is going to, let's say, my brother is going to work. Is going to work. My brother is going to work this weekend. Or let's not say this weekend. My brother is going to work. And that's it. If we want to add a time expression, it's okay. But if we don't put any time expression, this refers to future itself. Well, be careful. This is not the present progressive. The present progressive uses the verb be and an ing form. This sentence, my brother is going to work, in present progressive would be my brother is working. That is present progressive. I am going to clean the house, in present progressive form would be I am cleaning the house. I am cleaning the house refers to the action I'm doing right now, even though I can use it to express a future sentence itself just refers to the present progressive, to the action I'm doing right now. Now, if my point is to communicate a future intention, then I have to use be going to plus the verb. Now, when it comes to negative statements, I just have to use the negative form of be. Example of that would be, let's say, we're not then going to, we are not going to, let's say, we're not going to watch the game tonight. We're not going to watch the game tonight. It means that we're not planning to do so, because when we use going to with the form of be and another verb, we communicate our plans, our intentions for the future. So we use the negative form of be plus going to and another verb. Now, what about question form? The same thing. We just have to use the question form of the verb be. Example of this would be, are you going to let's say, are you going to cook? Are you going to cook? Yeah. Are you going to cook? That's okay. The verb be in question form, going to, and another action. I can also ask, what are you going to, let's say, what are you going to buy? Or let's change by. Let's say, what are you going to wear for the party? What are you going to wear for the party? What are you going to wear for the party? So I have a form of be, going to, and another verb. And this refers to the future. Future plans with the verb be. And that's the way we make or we communicate our future intentions in English with the form of be, going to, plus another verb. We just have to focus that the verb be is an important part of this. By the way, how do we respond a yes/no question with be going to? Are you going to cook? How do you respond? Yes, I am. The same way we respond answer questions with the verb be. Or, no, I'm not. Which means that for answering questions with the be going to form, we have to use the same way, we have to answer the same way we answer questions with the verb be itself. That's the way we work with future plans with be going to. Now, if you have any questions, you let me know the questions in the class. See you later.